Okay, so after we cement it with the individual crown, the Titan 7-star case is all monolithic. This is another 7-star cases, just came out from the milling machine. You see the long panic and the really back tooth for the implants. That's the issue. That's why we decide to go to make the Titan 7-star. And then now we're going to cut it and then get the good frame design, and then we can finalize it. Okay, continue for the Titan 7-stars. After we made the opaque, which is metal ceramic from the GC America, we see all those things, and then we settle with the mono zirconia, just get the more better retention of the tooth. Okay, so now we're going to finish them up shortly. Okay, start to put some pink porcelain. This is a basic concept. We're going to apply the 2-3 different color after I put the first bake. You have to put the separator in between the teeth, otherwise it's one stick together. That's the starting point. Some area is a little bit more, some area is a little less, which is great. So I can create it the better different color. This is the metal ceramic, which is chrome cobalt. A lot of people are asking. Then we're going to bake about 890 Celsius, which is pretty high temperature. So resist is much better than composite because this is a ceramic. So it's more longer video in patreon.com. You can be my member, then you can see all this image too. Alright, so I'm going to make more defined in between the tools. Anyway, this is concept I would like to show you. How can I finish it? How can I make the better aesthetic in between the metal conjunction compared to copper, which is the monolithic. You see they are grinding everything. I'm going to make really deeper, which then we're going to make the triangular shape instead of the square, which is lower teeth. That's why it's more the aesthetics. Okay, this is second build up. Remember, I said I'm trying to give them more triangular shape in between the teeth, like this, so I can get this maximize the aesthetics. Now I'm using the light pink. Second build up with the light pink, which is GM35, which is a brighter color. I want to emphasize a little bit more deeper embrasure with a little dark color underneath. And then I apply this brighter pink, which is doctor's request for, which is good idea. I don't like the one pink color. It's not going to look good. Alright, so I'm going to do the continuously the other side, same thing. Alright, this is second build up. Probably I'm going to do one more. Okay, so after I took it out, this is what it looked like exactly. There's another beauty for Titan 7-star cases. Alright. Alright, this is Titan's 7 stars before with cementing. After polishing with underneath, that was what it looked like. See here? Okay, that's why we did it with a Titan 7 star underneath like that. Just like, actually it's pretty good polishing. This one. Okay, so this is what it looked like after I finished it. That's good. The other side. That's good too. Nice. The other one is the here. Okay. Now we can finish the 7-star cases. Is ready to put some cement. It's just a little tiny bit composite as well. Okay, so after we cemented with the individual crown, the Titan 7-star cases all manually flick using the two block lock, and then we just cement with a subtle pink powder composite gradient, so which is this is what I'm looking. So exactly the same, but you see we just minimize it in the width. That's the differentiation between teeth, the denture setup, the finers. This is a ceramic, this is wax with the denture teeth. Okay, so anyway, we finished this from this. Then like I mentioned it, the reason why we made this Titan 7-star, here is the implant side, here's the implant side. So we made all the as thin as possible, as this one is a final. Alright. Now, so we just put into the mounting, and look at this here. This is the denture cheese. So this is under, this is a regular one. So this is a grinding, so I do not have to make this perfect occlusion contact because this is a denture tip. But it's positive posterior contact like this. Okay, so it will not break it. Slightly one is open, but I don't want to give them interfere, and aesthetically it's differences. And don't forget to ask the stent, so patient can wear it in the nighttime, and then it's not any damages, whatever. So we can give it to them. Anyway, thanks for watching my video.